Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Wait, let me show you something. Look at it guys, look at it. Oh my god, I'm so happy. All this snow makes me so happy because it reminds me of my childhood. We used to have so much snow during winter, not anymore, so this is kind of miracle. But on the other hand, there is another thing that I cannot say the same thing about. Guys, I cannot believe this happened to me, but I have already filmed this video, but I just forgot to turn on my microphone. And not for one shot or two, but for the entire video. So today I'm filming it again. I'm sorry that it will be postponed. I'm trying my best to do it as fast as possible. As I already made the dress, let me show you what we are going to make today. I will be using vikisews pattern for children because they are adorable. So let me quickly bring the dress and show you. So guys, this is the dress that I have already made. Filmed entire process, but let's not talk about it again. I made this one from double gauze, so it's really nice and comfy. In my opinion, double gauze is great for almost any season. It has a raglan sleeve, puffy at the bottom, finished with the elastic, and at the back side there is a button closure. Very easy to get in and out of the dress. This is what I'm going to make today, but as you can see, I will be working with some other material and different colors. So don't worry, you have not seen the final product yet. Now, the modification that I made to this pattern was very simple. I just basically create kind of shape from the bodice continuing to the skirt. I did the same thing on the other side. One thing you have to keep in mind whenever you are doing color blocking and you are cutting pattern in the pieces, wherever you make a new seam, you have to add seam allowance, of course. Also, if you are making curves just like I did, put as many notches as possible to help you while you will be pinning pattern pieces together. Let me just sew up all of these so that I have a proper pattern pieces, and then I will come back to you. Okay guys, so I have finished sewing all the pieces together. This is the front piece, and if you just decide to do it normally, you will just have, you know, one piece of fabric, but you can clearly see where I draw the line and I divide it into two pieces. So this is the front, the back is very similar. This is the front bodice piece, and these are two back pieces. Of course, you also have to interface them. You need to have some support for the buttonholes and the buttons. And if I can give you one advice, which I have no idea why I didn't learn this from my previous experience, because I have done this type of thing before exactly with these two fabrics. That's why I chose the combination, because I know I'm going to like it. I did the same thing before, where before I sewn two pieces together, I overlocked each piece separately. And that's just not necessary. It's just create more bulk. And you will see when you will iron this seam, you will see which side it lays nicer and more flat. So learn from me, don't do my mistake, just sew it and then overlock it together, okay? I just have a little bit more bulk here than was needed. So now let's move on. Let's start sewing sleeves. These are just going to stay one color. And what is really special about the sleeves is that, first of all, they are raglan sleeves, but not only that, they have dividing seam in the center of the sleeve, which is really nice, and you could also use it for color blocking purposes if you want.
Right. One thing they don't tell you after you've had a baby, and I don't know if this is just an epidural thing, but you have in a farm. I couldn't anyway. is that your pelvic floor or that epidural thing? I started and it was so loud.
Whilst we're on a Zoom,
Whilst we're
my
on a
lactation specialist.
And Alfie, instead of like just composing
I
himself and
couldn't. It
moving
was too
on,
much. I couldn't.
left, was next to me, left, went behind the laptop screen, so I was trying to keep a straight face to the woman, and he was behind the screen, crying with laughter, rolling around on the floor, and I was like,
It was so
that
good.
was really hard. That was.
Okay, sleeves are done, both of them. I will just overlock the seams and press them nicely. Everything is ironed nice and flat. I also iron bottom of the sleeve so I can sew it and create channel for the elastic. You know what? I'm going to do it as a last because I would like to change the thread after. So yeah, let's move to the bodice now. So I have the front piece and two back pieces. And what I need to do is to sew up the side seam, pin it over here on the sides, sew it and also overlock it immediately. Guys, I made myself hot wine. Is it also something Christmassy in your country to drink hot wine and go to Christmas markets, or not really? In Slovakia it is, and Christmas markets are all about drinking and eating. I'm just in such a Christmas mood right now. Let's pin the sleeves, guys. You know, I was also planning today to make Christmas wreath. I picked up some branches of I don't know what was this tree, what we have in the garden and next to our little cottage. And so yeah, I want to make one today. I actually made one already, a little bit smaller, and that was for the Advent candles. But I bought another base for the wreath, which is quite big, and I would like to hang it somewhere outside, maybe close to the stairs or the entrance of my parents' house. And I would also like to sew some huge bow that I will attach on it. Yeah, but I think I'm still going to do it anyway. It's going to become dark quite soon at this point, so I think I should move on with this dress.
I find myself wandering downtown, window shopping, listening to the sound
So I'm going to use this bias binding, first sew it on, then turn it and sew it inside. But as you can see over here, I already turned the button flap right sides facing, and you will see at the end it will have such a nice finish. I have never done this before, but I have to say I am going to use it also for my own designs because it's really nice and clean way how to finish the neckline. Let's sew quickly the skirt part. Of course, right sides facing. I'm going to sew the sides and overlock the seams, and after that run 2 rows of gathering stitches on the top, so you know I can gather the skirt and attach it to the bodice part. I think it's going to look amazing. Woohoo! Well, at least I think. I really hope she will like it, and if she will not, I'm going to be sad. I'm not gonna lie. So, fingers crossed. Okay guys, it's another day. I made the buttonholes yesterday evening, but it was just too dark to film. So buttonholes are finished. I chose to use this cute little buttons. I think it will look nice against green, and it goes well with this blue. Now the last thing, in order that this dress will be finished, I need to gather up the skirt and sew it to the body. Wait, I have to show you. I have some guest here making me company. Do you want to introduce yourself? Yes? Come. Hi everyone, this is Benny. He's distracting me, that's why it's taking me so much time. Okay, bye bye. Okay guys, let's continue now. Yeah, and now he wants to climb on my lap. Okay, enough. Dress is finished. This is how it turned out. I am quite satisfied with the way how I was able to match this pattern. Let me open it more so you can actually see. I think it would be cute also if it continues on the sleeves, but yeah, I didn't want to make it overcomplicated because I just don't have so much time. This is the back of the dress. I was really lucky that I was able to find a really nice color of buttons in my stash. I think that they pair really well with this dress. And let me show you how is the pattern at the back. Yeah, I think it's really cute, really nice. It's a good quality linen fabric, so it should last her for longer. Also, I made it a little bit bigger than its hair size. You know, the kids, they grow so fast. And last time I made her dress, I already made it one size bigger than was her actual size, but when I saw her in the dress, I thought it fits her so. She's quite tall. I hope this will be better and she can wear it in summer as well. Let me bring the other one. And this is the second one from Double Gauze. Also, this is the gift bag that I made, that I'm going to package it inside. Well, now I have two dresses. The thing is, she is going to have a birthday not long after New Year. So I'm gonna keep this one and I'm going to give it to her later. So guys, I highly recommend these patterns. They were really easy to sew, really nice instructions. The size range is huge, so I think it goes until 14 years old, so that's pretty good. And yeah, I think they are very nice, very fashionable as well. That's it from me today, guys. After all the struggle and filming it again. Actually, I'm happy it happened because now I am also ready for her birthday in advance, which doesn't happen quite often. But let me apologize again for being late with this video, but don't worry, this week you are going to get another one, the second part of this Selfless Christmas Sewing, how I decided to call it. And next time we are going to sew for my nephew. Stay tuned, come back, subscribe if you are not, give a like to this video to help me and support me, that would be fantastic. And see you soon. Bye guys.